Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript on MacBook, and it's really pretty simple to do, and it probably is already enabled on your Mac, but just to make sure, what you need to go open the Safari browser of yours. After that, you're just gonna go to the top. After that, you're just gonna click Safari. After that, you're just gonna click Settings. Sometimes it says Preferences, depends on what MacBook you have. And as you can see, I'm already on Security here. But basically, you will open up on this general one, and you're gonna click Security. And as you can see, Web Content Enable JavaScript. So it has to be enabled for you, for example. You're just gonna click check the box, and that's it. Yeah guys, that's how you enable JavaScript on MacBook, and if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!